A show of power from Argentina's trade unions, hundreds of thousands taking to the streets to protest the young government's radical economic reforms.
We are very sad with the new government because barely a few days after taking office, they're implementing fierce austerity measures that hurt us and retirees.
Far-right President Milei is pushing forward with a mega decree and omnibus bill. Together, they would introduce sweeping reforms that aim to deregulate the economy and could see state-run companies privatised, moves the government says are necessary after years of overspending. Strike action was held across the country. The government's proposed reforms impact regional economies and individual sectors. Less than 2 months into his presidency, Javier Milei has already faced his first national strike, the first called by trade unions since 2019. Medical workers say they are already feeling the impact of austerity measures, and the proposed laws would increase the costs of medicine.
In the health sector, we see that there are several aspects of the reforms that hurt workers, but also patients too.
Juan Gabriel Mendez is part of a group of business owners that support the reforms. He believes the power of unions in Argentina stifles growth and says the country needs a radical change in direction.
We have to try a different type of government that will bring in changes. Then we have to give it time. We have had previous economic experiences which have hurt Argentina a great deal. We have to think differently.
Congress is debating the bill and the government is pushing to have the legislation approved in the lower house. Meanwhile, unions and social organisations sent a message they will resist any move to rewrite the country's social contract. Joel Richards, CGTN, Buenos Aires.